after many technical issues, i.e. low light compensation, screwing things over, we now can view the puzzle. The world's #1 puzzle, original Rubik's product. Challenge level, pretty high. I'd say that's like a pretty spicy. So that's like fire danger rating. Pretty good. Official, ages 6+. I am 6+. So it's fine. Some lovely example images of what you can do with it. And they're advertising their other ones. If we judge by the quality of their other ones, I would rather use the sticker peeling off lad. That sticker is actually almost fallen off. That's concerning. 43 quintillion combinations. Amazing. Well, I guess I won't be able to solve it. And you can find different challenge at Rubik's.com. So that's it. She got solving skills with us. How about I don't? I have the ultimate opening package and stuff too. These scissors that I stole from a classroom when I was in like grade 6. Let's just hold up. What? Huh. Why? I will maliciously throw this package out. This packaging. Alright. Just crack this one open. The lad. Crack it open. Okay, there we go. Open. Open it. Open. How does this packaging work? What the hell? Okay. So, oh, it feels... It's better than you'd expect. I'm sort of shocked, actually, that, this sort of worked. I was expecting this to be hundreds of times worse in every way. But I'll be honest. Better than I'd but either you expect it to be the worst thing physically possible. It's only sort of that. Huh. Okay. Surprisingly good. But we'll do a comparison with this one. And just sort of see the difference. If I just sort of there we go. Let's just do a comparison, like a side by side. Okay, so after we compared these, it's just I mean, given this was a gift though, I'm very grateful for that. However, it's crusty. Like, it's fallen. It's very tiring. That's my my like observation. It's tiring, and it tends to have some issues because like this is magnetic. It's can't really corner cut at all. It can actually. Yeah, it can sort of corner cut. This one